Hi, this is Jake Fye, your representative from the 27th Legislative District. So we're almost a third of the way through the legislative session now, and it's been a lot of work, a lot of interesting things happening here. And I just wanted to highlight a couple of things today for you. We had guests from Trillium, which is a group that assists with developmentally disabled individuals, young people. And I was very impressed with the work that they were doing. But it's just among a host of folks that come and have interests and needs that need to be addressed by the state legislature. And it's a way for me to really get the human aspect to how our programs at the state level affect individuals in their homes and communities. It was eventful the last several days because I've been working very hard with my colleagues on the House Transportation Committee. I had the opportunity on last Friday to be there for the opening of the Murray Morgan Bridge, which is an example of how we need to really keep up on our transportation infrastructure with the bridge opening now and providing more access to the port and from the port to downtown Tacoma. So when I say transportation, it really includes a lot. I was part of a group that unveiled a revenue package for the legislature to consider. It's multifaceted. Really the highest priority in that package is freight mobility, and I'm happy to say that there was substantial funding in that package for Highway 167 along with Highway 509, which is really our corridors between the two ports and SeaTac Airport. So it's a very highly important project, one that has really been stuck for a number of years, but hopefully we'll be able with this revenue package to really help move transportation, freight into and out of our ports so that we can really be competitive. This is a world economy, and we need to have a port that really is able to move product in and out of that port. So, but it doesn't just include that. The package that we unveiled includes money to address some congestion issues on I-5 around Joint Base McCord, Lewis-McCord, and it also includes funding to help local governments with their transportation needs within their community. As you may know, if you live in Tacoma, you've dealt with our street infrastructure, and the city cannot alone help get that, can take care of that themselves, but they really need state assistance for that. The last item is on transit. I proposed a bill that would allow our Pierce Transit Board to be able to focus extra service in the areas where demand is the highest. As you may know, unfortunately, the voters turned down, not in Tacoma, but in other parts of Pierce County, a voter proposition to raise sales tax revenue to support transit. This would allow another alternative that would really focus more on citizens in Tacoma and how they can get around and where really the demand for public transportation services is, whether it's associated with poor folks trying to get to appointments and not having any other means of transportation, or young people being able to get to school. All very important things that's for our community. So we've got another several weeks to go, and now we're going to be moving more into floor action. So I'm hoping to see a number of my bills that I proposed that have been moving through the legislature come for a vote first in the House and then go over to the Senate for consideration. I'm really enjoying the time here. I thank you very much for the opportunity to serve you, and don't hesitate to contact me if you have any concern about issues that the legislature is facing. Thank you very much.